Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to add a proxy in AdsPower. So first, launch AdsPower and log into your account. And then, go to the profile. So this is the profile. So click a new profile or select an existing profile you want to add a proxy to. So yeah, click this new profile. And then, let's configure the profile. So input a name, and so on with the other stuff. Now click this proxy and let's configure the proxy settings for your profile. So in the proxy section, so this is the proxy section. So select your proxy type. It could be HTTP, HTTP, DPS, or SOC. So enter the proxy host, IP, and port provided by your proxy service. So if required, you'll need to input your username and password for authentication. And then after that, you can click the check proxy to test if the connection is successful. So if the test is successful, you can click save to apply the settings. So, but first of all, we'll need to input the host port, proxy username, and proxy password, and then IP URL in order to do that. So to make sure everything is working correctly, assumingly, we'll need to launch the profile with the newly added proxy and then visit a website like whatismyipaddress.com to check if your IP has changed, and then if your proxy is active and displaying the correct location, you're good to go. And that's how you add a proxy in AdsPower. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.